Hello, this is Josephine Boley, Public Health Consultant, Program Coordinator, and Educator. I am once again coming to you to inform you about vaccines. Like I said in my previous video, the purpose for which I am making these short videos is to inform you so that you can make an informed decision in regards to whether you take the COVID-19 vaccine or whether you refrain from taking it at this time. My videos are not to persuade you or discourage you, but rather they are to inform you and give you facts about what is currently all of the information that surrounds vaccine. Okay, so today I'm going to tell you about the 3 phases a vaccine goes through before it is approved. Okay, so let's talk about vaccines in general. Okay, vaccines in general, we know number one, there is the killed. There are vaccines that contain the killed of the virus or the weakened form of the virus, and we do know of the new kind of vaccine, which is the vaccine that contains the mRNA. Okay, that is something that had a lot of research has been done using this vaccine towards cancer. Okay, so there are 3 phases that a vaccine has to go through in order for it to be approved. Okay, in order for it to be approved as a public health, as a vaccine that can be given to people, to the public. Okay, number one, the first phase of a vaccine, okay, is first there is a small number of volunteers, okay, that are given the vaccines, and the purpose of that is to access the safety of the vaccines. Okay, and also to confirm that this vaccine actually generates an immunity response, okay, an immune response, okay, and also the reason for this first phase is to determine the right dosage that should be used when administering this vaccine. The second phase in the clinical trials of vaccine is that the vaccine is given to hundreds of volunteers who are closely monitored, okay, for any side effects. So they're checking for side effects and to further assess the ability to generate an immune response from this vaccine. Okay, so that is phase number 2. And then it goes into phase number 3. Phase number 3, the vaccine is given to thousands of volunteers, some whom receive the vaccine are to investigate the vaccine effectiveness. Okay, so during this trial time, there are some participants that will get the vaccines, and then there are some participants that will not get the vaccine, right? So this is tested to see whether the vaccine protects us against the disease as it is designed to protect against or not. So phase 3 is testing the effectiveness of the vaccines on thousands of people. So having those that are given the vaccines and those that are not, and testing to see its effectiveness. Once that is done, the FDA, which is the Food and Drug Administration, okay, they review the vaccine for efficacy, for safety, the regulations, and also public health policies that must be put into effect concerning the administration of this vaccine. Then, before it is introduced into a national immunization program. So mostly when we look at a vaccine, the benefits of a vaccine outweighs the weight and many more. It prevents illnesses and death that would occur without the vaccines. All right. So now we're getting the picture. The Food and Drug Administration is responsible for approving the vaccination before it goes to the public. So thank you for watching this short video today, focusing on the phases of vaccines before they are released into the public. So thank you once again. My name is Josephine Boley. I am a public health consultant, a program coordinator, and an educator for public health programs. So thank you and see you in my next video. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.